Hello kids, today we learn about vegetables names. Number 1, carrot. Carrots are orange, crisp, and sweet. Eating them helps you grow big and strong, a real treat. Number 2, potato. Potatoes are brown, round, and they grow in the ground. You can mash them, fry them, or make tasty fries to munch around. Number 3, tomato. Tomatoes are red and juicy, like a little burst of sun. They're great on salads and sandwiches, a healthy treat for everyone. Number 4, onion. Onions come in layers, they can make you cry a tear. But when cooked, they add flavor to dishes, making them so dear. Number 5, cucumber. Cucumbers are cool, green, and so refreshing to taste. In salads and sandwiches, they add a crispy, crunchy grace.